Good morning, colleagues. This is Shalini Upadhyaya. This morning, I wanted to take an opportunity to share with you a tool or better, an app that is available in Canvas as a new tool for many of you, or if you had used Jamboard before, which goes away on December 31st, a replacement of the Jamboard with enhanced tools and ideas at our disposal. So the name of this new Canvas app that is in our Canvas is Lucid Whiteboard. You will see in my sandbox right now. So to add a Lucid task, there's three different ways. We can add as a whiteboard simply during teaching, face-to-face, online, hybrid, high flex. We can use the whiteboard with different frames and breakout rooms in an online setting where we can send the students to different rooms, different breakout boards, and have them work while you facilitate the instruction across all boards. And last but not the least, use the Lucid to create an assignment, like a module assignment, and be used by all students. And a PDF of the assignment will be submitted. Now, I'm not expecting for me to be able to show all these three in detail and expect for you to be able to learn all those. I just wanted to give you an overview. In January, I will be available during the CETL session to share at length creating an assignment and perhaps expand on an assignment that you may choose to bring in, and we can place that in Lucid and see how that will work for you. So this is simply an overview where and how to replace the Jamboard with the current app called Lucid. So you do see Lucid on the left navigation of your Canvas. However, it is best to access via the modules. And once I access via the modules, I'm going to go ahead and just add a module right here, and that will be Lucid Trial, and add the module. Once I am in my Lucid Trial, and there's a lot of stuff in my sandbox, so apologies. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and create a page. And that is a page created, Lucid Trial page 1. You will call this based on the content that you're creating. Once I click on Lucid Trial page in the edit mode, and I have many tools at my disposal here as well. And the tool I'm looking for is L, you see it right here, Embed Lucid Document. This is the most effective way to add a Lucid document when you are using it for the purpose of either a breakout room during a live teaching, or meeting with someone, or during hybrid high flex teaching. Please don't use this way to access to create an assignment. So once I click on this, it will take me to the first rite of passage, recognizing my initials, my sign-ons, and everything. Since I am already logged into Lucid, it recognizes me as a VCCS employee, access to Canvas, and authenticates. So you should not have to authenticate yourself again. Once I'm here, I will create a new Lucid Spark. I'm going to create a board and apply to do not grant users. So yes, I want that. Edit. And now, if I go a little bit up, this is right here for me about to start. And what I will do, I will come down, because this is just kind of narrow window for me to be able to work in while I'm creating something. I'm going to go ahead and full screen. it does not open in a new tab. So once I don't want it to be full screen, I can simply go back and shrink the screen right here, or I can come here and start to drag the menu down here and go to the full screen as well. In the meantime, right here, I'm going to go ahead, page 1 for demo. I have went ahead and named it as well. So once I am here in this, let me find my tool again to go to full screen, or I can go then else right here as well. Once I'm here, I have these tools at my disposal here. Writing tools, sticky notes, shapes, arrows, and creating a new frame. Creating a new frame lets you create on one board separate sections. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and breakout board right now. I'm going to create a frame. This is my frame right here. I can go ahead and name this frame as well, something different. And I also have these tools here as well. On this frame, I can go ahead and put a sticky, and let's, in the spirit of staying with the color, let's go ahead and put that sticky right here in the middle. Okay. On that sticky note, I can go ahead and write something like group 1. And I'm going to go ahead and move that over here a little bit. It's just a matter of working with your keyboard and your come on, let me just, oh, I just have it. It's just a matter of refining your skills, which mine are not very sharp, to move things where I want them to be. I'm going to go ahead and create another frame. And this time, I will have a frame right here. So within one board, we have created these different sections to explain maybe the concept that we may have, and to go ahead and get another sticky and get another sticky right here and bring this out in the middle. And then I can go ahead and write and try to place it what I want it to be. If you see it says my name, we can go ahead and remove that if we need to later. Now, the question is, when we give this access to our audience, our students, we want to make sure what we are writing, group 1, group 2, the title of the frame and everything, that stays intact, right? So if you click on it right here, your tools come in play. Oh, sorry, I didn't need to do that. The tools will, your toolbar will come in, and the toolbar will let you go ahead and lock. So this right here is locked right here. So they cannot change this. I can do the same thing here. Come on, and I can go ahead and lock. And I can go ahead and come on, delete this yellow sticky right here. So once these tools are locked in, no one can change it. As you can see, I can go ahead and delete this right here, but I cannot make a change to anything that I have already created. So for example, I have this sticky after I locked in, I can go ahead and delete this, right? So these are the frames right here that you can create, write, have a student collaborate. If you are doing a session where instead of creating a breakout room, you have a small class, you just want to have this one board we share, you can come down here, the people right here, and you can go ahead first, make yourself as a facilitator, because you don't want to give up the facilitating to anyone else. Right? Then if you go over control, you have access to timer, you have access to voting, you have access to private mode, you have access to showing authors, locking objects, hiding objects. Right? Showing authors is you can tell which student has written what. Okay? The private mode right here will take away the name that is on the bottom right hand screen that you see in each sticky form. Right? So these are the controls you would have to do this each time. It does not remember for each board that you will create, each Lucid work you will create. And then when I come back here, I have access to a pointer, and I can broadcast a message, time to come back to the class, time is ending, or the timer, please pay attention, whatever you would like to share with the audience right here, right? So this is Lucid being used as a simply as a breakout room or as a whiteboard tool in class. If you were to create the breakout boards right here, you can go ahead, have this main board, and you want to give the same board to everybody, you can go ahead and duplicate it. So this is for the second breakout room, and I can put breakout room 2 right here. I can go ahead and duplicate again, and this will be for rename for the breakout room number 3. So these each breakout boards can be created, can be given. See, these are right here, and I can go ahead and share that with each direct link to the class, and they will be working on the same assignment. And so if we click on one breakout board right here, see, if I can go ahead and simply click back to the main, right? So the students who are in the breakout room 2 can go back to the main board at any time, or perhaps if you ever started the timer, they will view the timer, you can relay a message and it will send them back to the main. So this is a way to use Lucid for live or creating your presentation, recording it, and then sharing a recording and file with them. Or creating the breakout room in case of a large class. The third way of using it as an assignment. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and save it. And this time I'm going to go into my assignments. And once I'm in an assignment, I can add an assignment. And I will go ahead and use Lucid assignment sign and for trial. And right here, again, I'm going to go to this right here, and this is my Lucid assignment. Once this comes up, this time I can go ahead and new Lucid Spark. And maybe this time I'm going to go create a template. And this time I can go ahead and take this flow chart just for and create. Insert. Once this flow chart comes in, I think it's kind of verifying. Flow chart comes in right here. I'm going to go ahead and maybe later, it probably would want to give you, you can go ahead and edit this to fill in, and then give this to my student as a fill-in concept map or a timeline or different parts of a model that you may have taught, right? And I can go ahead, sorry, my Zoom bar came on the top. I can go ahead and name it what I want it to be. Once I'm done, I will go ahead and shrink it. And I can assign the points, category assignments, submission is online. What it gives you is and restrict 5, and that will be PDF only, not JPEG. And at this time, this assignment is available to all your students in Lucid. I'm the only one who can edit it. And remember, I showed you the locking tools and being able to create different frames and things like that. You can do all this, but whatever you replace in there, each student has the ability to do that. So let me see if I can publish this before I go ahead and see what the final one will look like. So 10 assignments PDF, I think let's give them limited to attempts, plagiarism, since it's going to be right there. Let's give it a due date of the 17th, and save and publish. And let me see if it will, let me give that, show this as a student, right? So right here in the details of the assignments, when they complete the assignment in Lucid, it will give them a PDF file and they will upload that PDF file here. So you are not able to see the assignment that the student is doing it. So please, I don't want you to get discouraged on that, but you do know what assignment you have assigned them. Once they have done it, gives them a PDF that they can upload it right here. So you don't have to go into each Lucid account for a student to check the work. It is more when they created the timeline or the concept map or a model of something, they have completed it correctly, they will be able to download a PDF and then they can upload it right here and hit submit. So this is what Lucid app is available for you in form of teaching, creating the breakout rooms and teaching, or creating an assignment. So an assignment such as this to create a flow chart will take a long time for us to create. It's not impossible, but it's a lengthy task. In Lucid, you could quickly create it and have them either bring to classroom to discuss it, or perhaps pick one when you see the PDF and post it as in the discussion for students to comment on, or just to simply give the kudos to students who have done it well and encourage the rest to do as well, or highlight or showcase student work periodically to give them encouragement. So this is where Lucid